Hey, this is Danielle, and I'm the Director of Options at Simpler Trading. And today I'm going to be talking about my top 5 favorite trading books. And I even threw in a bonus one because I really couldn't narrow it down to just 5. So we're going to be talking about 6 of my favorite trading books. So I'm going to start off with this one right here. This is Fibonacci Trading. It was written by Carolyn Boroden. She is one of my top mentors. And, for me, when I first started out learning how to trade, I think that what was most difficult for me was learning technical patterns and learning when to get in and when to get out. Very important when you're a trader, right? So the reason why I love this book is because Fibonacci, it can seem complicated, but the way that she has written this is she breaks it down in a very easy to understand way throughout each chapter so that you're able to build your Fibonacci knowledge and you're able to kind of put it all together into one method of analysis. And for me, it was really the difference between losing money and making money. So once I started instituting Fibonacci into my trading, that is where I really turned a corner to profitability, and I owe it to this book right here. Now, the second one is going to be written by my mentor, John Carter. So he actually invited me to have 2 chapters in this book, which was pretty awesome. But the reason why I'm recommending it to you is not because of my chapters, but because of everything that he has put in here. So the main thing that I have gotten from this book are the variety of different setups. So as I studied under John, I am primarily a momentum trader as well. And this is the best book that I have ever seen that really describes how to learn a feel for the market. I particularly love the sections on learning how to read the market internals. You can see that screen right behind me. That's something that's really important when you're trading options. You really want to know which direction the market's going, especially when you're trading directionally. So that is what I gathered from here. And I do have a chapter in here about my beginner story if you want to check it out. The next one is going to be this one by the Najarian. So you might know the Najarian brothers. They're on CNBC a lot. I actually picked this up because I had a segment on Fast Money with Pete, and I thought, I'm going to check out that book. So I got this book and I read the whole thing on the plane to New York, and it was awesome. I think this is probably the best book that I've ever read as far as learning how to trade options. I really like their method as far as looking at unusual options activity. I don't really use it in the same way that they do, but I trade a lot of butterflies. And so for me, identifying unusual options activity is very important because I really want to look at where I can pin my butterflies. So I like this book a lot for anybody who wants to learn how to trade options. The next one is going to be a little bit more of a psychology book. So when you're trading, you absolutely need to get your psychology down, okay? Because it's gonna be a little bit emotional at times, right? So this one was recommended to me by John Carter. He recommends this book to everyone all the time. It's Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. If you are trying to master your discipline, confidence, like it says just right here, I highly recommend this book. It doesn't have anything about trading setups. It really just teaches you how to be a better trader. The next 2 aren't specifically trading books, but they really helped me in my trading. So I actually love this book right here. This is Business Leaders and Success. It was written by the founder of Investors Business Daily. We love IBD over here at Simpler Trading. We love trading the IBD 50. We really love their fundamentals. And so when I saw this book, it was actually at a Traders Expo. I had to pick it up and I absolutely love it. So, trading, it's just a really stressful profession at times. And so learning about other stories and really just how to persevere throughout different times. There's a lot of great stories like that in here. I think it helps overall to become a better trader. Now, the last one I wanted to talk about is this one right here. This is 177 Mental Toughness Secrets of the World Class. So it was actually our co-founder, Henry Gamble, who recommended this book to me years ago. And I absolutely love it, again, for the same reason I like that last book, because trading is very challenging and you have to really figure out how to control your mind in order to make money. So for that reason, I absolutely love this book. Back when I first started trading, I actually pulled tons of quotes out of here. I highlighted everything. I made a huge bulletin board in my trading office, and this one really helped me, especially through the beginning times when I was first starting to trade and I was losing money left and right, and I really wanted to stick with it because I knew it could be awesome, and thankfully I did. So thank you for this book recommendation, and now I'm passing it along to you. So hope you found this helpful. If you have any favorite trading books that I haven't mentioned, go ahead and drop them below. I would love to hear. I'm an avid reader and I always love getting book recommendations from all of you. So I hope you enjoyed this episode, and beyond that, if you'd like to learn more, you can join me in my Stack Profits Mastery. You can go to simplertrading.com/profits and learn a little bit more about my trade alert service. Other than that, I'll see you in the next one.